1.5L and you have a beast gaming and streaming PC. Let's dive into the specs that make this setup a powerhouse. First up, the Ryzen 9 7900X. This CPU is a multitasking monster, perfect for gaming and streaming simultaneously. Pair that with the RTX 4070 and you're looking at stunning 4K graphics that will blow your mind. Now, let's talk RAM. With 32GB of DDR5 running at 6000 MHz, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and seamless performance. For storage, a 2TB NVMe SSD means you'll have plenty of space for all your games and projects, plus super fast access speeds. Don't forget the 850-watt Gold PSU, ensuring your system runs efficiently and reliably. And the X670 motherboard ties it all together, providing top-notch connectivity and future-proofing for upgrades. This setup is perfect for 4K gaming, streaming, and video editing. Like if you want a PC giveaway,